Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So as you can see by the title, it says updates. If you can't tell, I deleted all my live streams because they were just crappy and I thought I'd have a new restarter. So I have not been on Animal Gym for a while and I forgot about it. Whoopsies. And basically this has been happening with lag. And I've been busy with the weekend. Now I have a 4 or 5 day weekend. And today is Sunday. And if you can't tell by the time, it's 1:03. The time has been pushed back. It would have been 2 right now, but the time got pushed back. Because it's daylight savings. And I basically woke up and I'm really tired. But I'm good. And sorry, my boyfriend just Snapchat me. Him at the football game. And yeah, okay, sorry, let me get off my phone. My friend just sent me something and I'm confused. But anyways, today is update day. Since it's Sunday, I'm lazy and I decided, hey, how about make a video? Because of how tired you are and lazy you are, you do not want to go outside, it's foggy and crap. Anyways, I'm so sorry I did not do the giveaway because I'm still at 2 subscribers. Tell your friends to subscribe to me, and this is all the items I have because the last live week all my stuff was away. So I have the Ray Eclipse watch. This is already in stores. These two are in stores. That rare elf helmet, the rare dragon tail, the rare egg nest hat. Oh my god, I need to stop. Okay. I have the wings, I have a spike, I have a flower crown, I have 3 warns, I have 2 top hats, I have these thingies. I have all this stuff below. And yeah, that's all the things I have. But I will be doing a giveaway when we do get to 10 fingers, which means 10 subscribers. And sorry my voice is like this. I didn't not eat anything yet. Anyways, so I changed my background and now I actually have a good profile picture and stuff. It took me a while to edit it and stuff. And yeah, so the updates in here are confusing a little bit. Alpha headquarters. I don't understand. What? From the fallen rubble of Club Geo's, a new structure has been built in Jamal Township. The Alpha headquarters has opened its doors. Their jammers everywhere can come to learn about the brave hero. Okay, well, let's go visit them then. I can't even speak English. What? Wow. They got rid of the Club Geos or something like that. It's gone? Wait. I have actually unwanted items. Oh, this lag is not doing me. LPS Macy 14. Shout out to you because I accidentally clicked on your username. And now my thing's having a spaz. What? yes, this lag is driving me crazy. I have another items, but what is she having? Ew. No. They're probably doing it for a video. Oh my god, they did replace it. Oh, this is gonna be even more lag. Oh, I'm not liking this. Yeah, I'm not liking this at all. I'm not liking this at all. I'm not gonna be happy if there's gonna be a bunch full lag. Oh my god, just stop. It's just so cool. But very laggy. Could I click on this? It's freaking great. Why is someone at my den? Apparently I can't click on it. Well, this is cool, I guess. Holy crap. Ew. They're nice now, but ugh. Okay, I guess I don't care. Oh, by the way, if you do come to my den, I will be doing a I might do a cafe again soon, and I'll be needing workers. So maybe about when this maybe turns 3 o'clock, maybe I'll do that. Oh, I did some new paintings last night because people on my Snapchat were asking me to do some I said drawings so I can do on my computer. There's one, this panda that my friend Annabelle told me to do. It looks like a dog, but I was gonna do like the black eye around it, but then I didn't. I drew my friend Logan. This took me a actual long time. I messed up on the ears. I didn't feel like actually doing the eyes open. The dog nose was confusing and stuff. And then I was trying to change this to a pink background, but then it turned pink over here, and I was like, oh my god. Yeah, and then if I move up, there's the eye drawing I did of this is nobody requested this, but I did this on my own. I had an idea of it, like, yeah, you can basically tell. Then I drew this one because I just was like, oh wait, normal eye, water, blended in, perfect. And then there's my drawing I did of me. Sorry for that. My outside is like loudish and my windows open. So if you like this video, like, subscribe, press the bell button for new notifications. each day when I post a video or upload it.